Let's take a journey into GAME. It is a powerful tool for universities as it automates the complete application process, brings transparency and promptness, thus increase the application conversion rate. The system is actively used by over 10,000 application sources from over 65 countries, which means you get the access to diversified student sources. Let's look into this amazing tool that will make your international recruitments just so simple. The system has 4 user interfaces. First is used by universities, colleges or polytechnics. Second allows the access to agents and other sourcing channels. Third interface is created for students to ensure the transparent admission process. Fourth and the last interface is for government or any authorized external body that wish to validate the documents issued using the system. Let's see how an agent's account looks like. Agent's online account has options to add new applications, search for existing applications, check application status, download status reports, upload any requested documents by the institutions, update student visa status, update fee status, and many more. Agents can add branch offices and counselors to the system and create their sub-accounts in order to check their performance. Information and download is a section from where they can download all important forms and marketing material instead of contacting the institutions again and again. Agents can also keep their profiles up to date and add logos to give system a customized look. Moreover, payments and assessment reports will help them to keep check on payment receipts and reports on screening tests conducted by the institutions. It is certainly a very user-friendly tool. Moreover, it encourages better follow-up and thus results in higher conversion rate. Agents love it, as information is just a click away, and thus they can focus more on business development. Student interface. Students can check the status of their application at any point of time. The interface allows students to manage their applications, payments, and assessments. They can update visa status and travel information in order to keep the institutions informed. They can also make very special requests like course change, defer intake, scholarships, and many more. The idea is to keep the process transparent with students even if agents have been authorized to handle their application. Let's now have a look at Institutions panel. It's a comprehensive interface, but let's look at some of the most important features one by one. When an application comes to the system from one of the sources such as agents, international officer adding a working student, or a student applying online, this application will appear as new till the time institution takes any decision on it. Application is open for any changes by applicant or agent. But as soon as the first decision is taken, the application gets frozen and only the institution is allowed to modify it. Let's see how to add an application for a student who walks into the international office. Go to Add Application, select the campus, select the agent if student is referred by an agent, fill up the details, upload required and supporting documents. The system has possibility of generating digitally signed application form as the data entered by the international officer, agent or applicant using digital email verification by the student. Now, after viewing the student application form and supporting documents, an appropriate decision can be taken. Else, if an application needs to be reviewed by faculty member, it can also be forwarded in form of an email. Let's have a look how different decisions can be taken on the system. Some of the interesting features include allowing you to integrate any kind of screening tests, audio or video based questions, multiple choice or descriptive questions with features of auto marking or manual marking, and a special control panel for assessment evaluators. System can also generate mark sheets or scorecards. All these documents generated from the system, including offer letters, are digitally marked and can be verified by the governing bodies. This feature reduces the chances of anyone forging any documents issued by institutions. The filters for application search are very easy to use. You can even use multiple filters to get desired information. Any of such filtered information can then be downloaded in an Excel sheet format, which allows you to build custom reports. System records the activity log for each action taken on the system, and this is recorded as a history. Tracking history as a menu can generate activity log for every user on the system. Thus, Head of International Office can monitor the activity of each person in the department. Individual application history can also be accessed from the applicant's profile. Now, as Head of International Recruitment Department, you need to monitor the performance of your regional sales officers, record the commercial terms and conditions with agents and partners. System will record such information and inform you about the progress and validity of such contracts. You can record all this information as you can see on the screen. The agent report is an interesting feature as it allows you to set filters, bulk mail selected agents, and order your reports in ascending or descending order of any application status. Similarly, advanced reports on the sales team will help you in strategic decision making over budgets, investments, and regional development. These detailed reports will allow you to identify the training needs of the sales team, and these reports can be generated course-wise and intake-wise. The filters on the top of the report are very well designed to generate desired information. System has full flexibility on making exceptions, applying incentive schemes for international sales team, changing offer letters, uploading custom letters for particular students, and printing letters in actual letter-headed paper. There are other features that have been designed for an ultimate user experience. Fee payment section allows you to view verified and received payments. Once a payment is received, only then the document in support of the visa can be issued. The system is intelligent to highlight duplicate applications. It has been designed in such a way that there are no chances of any user making any mistakes or losing any data. You can only go one step ahead, and the super user can rectify changes as and when required. University or an institution as a super user can add new users and define their rights or categories like application administrator, super user, finance administrator, assessment evaluator, and others. Advanced features includes dealing with agents, student fee refund requests, visa letters reissue request, intake deferral request, change of agent request, change of course, and many more. Access to the government and regulatory bodies is restricted to verifying documents issued from the system, including offer letters, visa letters, and assessment reports.